Alright, we're back on a windy, dark English day, Wednesday evening, getting ready to work on John's car. Start with the TKO swap. So we're gonna, oh, Pete's just showed up. So we'll get this door closed in short order, to prevent all the leaves from blowing back in. But it's 7 o'clock at night, it's already dark, daylight savings time just kicked in. But yeah, we're gonna jam on this thing and
before 4:30.
see how much shorter of a time we can do it compared to what I did, since I got experience. So, but so we got John's TKX, we're ready to stab. You jack it up, jack stand it, and we're gonna get fired up.
Operation TKX.
This is a 2.0. So.
I'll always wear eye protection, which is me squinting, looking away.
It's not too bad. It's still red.
Yeah, there's no bass boat paint.
No sparklies?
Nope. Well, I mean, it's only got 10 miles on it. It just happened to be very, very hard 10 miles. A lot of second gear is probably in there too. I'm just saying.
Here it comes. I'm not gonna grab it right by your junk there.
You need to drain it.
No, if there's maybe nothing in it.
Might not be.
Just stand it up and on to the next thing.
I've got my work pencil.
Alright. Alright, easy as that.
As easy as that, look. 1 T5 out the hole.
Yeah.
How's the throw bearing area look?
Good. It's got the just a little bit of no, actually that's horrible. It's got a lot of, it's got like a big lip on it, but
Yeah, look at that.
yeah. That's
Is it coming out?
yeah, it's definitely coming out.
This brook.
Yeah, it's definitely the
That's,
Well, that's not. Maybe it could cause us some issues.
I was gonna say, and probably why second gear was not engaged.
We'll have to get a cast iron one then, and alrighty, on to the bell housing.
Alright. There's the bell housing.
That. And touch next. Oh, this is weed bolts. Pass it over here.
Sounds like it.
There it goes.
I don't know where these bolts came from, but they're nice.
There's probably an impulse buy.
And there we go. Look at that.
Pressure plate. Flywheel's not too bad.
That's better than mine. Mine was well blue.
Yeah.
In fact, while you're here, just unbolt that steel insert.
You can buy these for like, I think I paid like $45 or something for it.
Yeah.
It comes with all the bolts. So these are the bolts for the T5. This is the new Tremec bell housing, but because these threads are much larger than the Tremec threads are in the bell housing. So I have the die and tap set at home. So I'm going to run home, knock this out, and Pete and John are going to get to installing the RST clutch, same clutch that I used. So they will document their progress. So I'll be back in about an hour. Yeah, this is the tap I used for the bell housing bolts. So M12 dash or times 1.75 split point. So easy peasy. Just ran this through with the Tremec bell housing bolt to retain the transmission to the bell, and it's used the T5 bolts.
Lickety click. Look at this, look, brand new, look.
I didn't even have a brand new one, I had to use one.
Yeah.
Some schmutz on there.
John likes to be one up on us, doesn't he?
Yeah. It's
It's just money to John.
It's just impulse buys.
Fork. You can fork off.
It seriously, it's just impulse buys. I see it and I go, I want it. I'll deal with the cost later.
That's it.
That's it.
Alright, got the bolts.
Bolts, John.
Stand by.
So there you go, clutch is in. Bell housing is on.
There you go, that's perfect.
And if the DVLA ever
Clutch
gives me a
cable is
registration,
in.
then I'll be able to drive it.
So if you go up top to where the firewall adjuster is now,
Yep.
and start taking some slack out.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Yep. Oh my god, this is heavier than the other one.
Yeah, it's a monster. It's about 25% heavier.
Just a light little coat, the pilot bearings got most of the grease on it. It's gonna be over my hand anyway.
The grunts and groans are from the middle-aged men that we are.
Working on a floor.
On the floor.
On a horrible...
I'm nearly 60, mate. Look. I'm laying on the floor, hoisting bloody gearboxes up there too heavy for me.
I'm right there with you. I'm 48, but I got a 70-year-old back.
Yep, I got this in, mate.
Alright, let me get my body under it so I can
Just don't get...
take the weight.
The gear lever is hitting the tunnel now.
I might need to go back about another 1.5 inches.
It's stuck on this.
Let me drop the exhaust down a little bit more.
Yeah.
I'm taking the bolts loose.
Because the shifter is what's hitting on the top.
Hang on, Mike, you got me thumb. Yeah. Okay.
Let me try again here.
It's so hard to feel sympathy when you're making noises like that. Yeah.
Okay.
There we go.
There we go. Yeah.
It's caught on the tunnel.
Nope, you're good. You're good
Hold
now.
1 second. Alright. Now, hold on. Just a second.
Okay, you're in.
Hang on, gear lever. There we go.
Alright. Alright, John, you need to get inside, push the clutch.
Yep, hang on a second.
No, this is not in the right place, Mike. There it is. John!
Yo.
It's alright, I'll do this.
Okay.
No, honestly, it's alright, I'll do it, mate.
I know you are. I know you're good. And I appreciate it. The best help is when you have retired people helping you. We're talking money.
So how many dollars was that?
A lot. The yoke I think was like $60, something like that in Summit.
This?
Yeah, it was. That one was.
No way. It was like, I think the Ford one was like 80.
I think that one was cheaper. It was cheaper than. It wasn't the most expensive one. That's for sure.
Is that Chinese? Is it?
No. Well, probably.
This one was at least double. Yeah, it's the Forest one.
I don't know. I have to look up. I don't remember that one being as expensive as some of the other things. Priced just on
Maybe it was in stock, so that's probably why you got it.
Say it again.
Maybe it was in stock because all the other ones were sold out.
Well, actually, that was part of the reason. Yeah, there was some of them were not available, but there was something about that one that's why we went with that one, and I don't recall what exactly it was.
It's known for racing drive shafts.
Has it got the right amount of splines? You did order the right one, yeah?
I never checked it yet.
We'll find out in a moment.
It is not for a T5.
If you hear us shouting under the car,
it won't be you guys. It'll be me going. God damn it!
All right, slip yoke.
Well, I threw the extension away. It's in the trash. Sorry, rubbish. Bin.
There it goes. It's in. All right, fancy slip yoke's in. And Pete is lining up the splines. I think it's in gear.
Yes.
Can you pop it in neutral, John?
That's why I can't turn it.
Watching these.
Alright, sounds like it. There we go. No, it's a new, well, now it is. Can gear again.
Okay, now definitely there. Boy, that thing is stiff, dude. The side fucking.
Oh yeah, well you don't have a handle on it. It's super
Yeah, but I mean,
strong.
the last one, when we pulled it out, it was without the handle. And I was able to move pretty freely, but side to side, this one is way more tight.
Yeah, it's got a tight gate.
Yeah.
Oh, look. He's getting all excited already and he ain't even got the shifter on it yet.
Alright.
Can you take it out of gear?
Let's get the rest of these in. And let's come on back. We're wrapping it up. It is 11:20 at night. So, what was it? We started at 7.
Yep.
7:30.
Yeah.
So 8:30, 9:30, 10:30. So 4 hours to install this transmission complete from start to finish by removing the old T5 and putting the TKX in there. So only thing we're waiting on is John doesn't even have a hacksaw or a grinder.
John sucks.
So
John liquidated before moving to the UK.
So we're doing the shifter spacers to offset it a little bit to the left. Got this nice heavy steel tube, and we need to cut it in half. Well, he's trying with the Dremel, and he's out of wheels and fighting it, and
I'm gonna continue.
so he's got to get this knocked out. But the rest of the whole installation is complete except for the shifter and putting gearbox oil in. So it's sticking up right through here, but as you can see, it's still like it's offset a little bit to the right. So, and yeah, that's gonna need to go left. So those spacers are definitely
Yeah, because it'll bring
something we're gonna need
over here like that.
That's gonna finish it up.
Yep.
And then 2 bolts.
Yep.
Sorry, put those in now. But yeah, we're there. Well, this is for the T5. Get those out of here.
We don't need that. We don't need your stinking T5.
All right. So, finishing up another Wednesday night special. Next thing we should do is Pete's piston should be here in about a week, and we'll be getting his motor back together. So, his Stroker 347 supercharged, and it'll be something a little different again. So, yeah. Plus TKX.
Now we just need
Number 3.
Now we just need a nitrous card.
I've got a nitrous kit that'll fit, John. John.
Well, you can do it now. Now you got the transmission.
Yeah, kaboom!
No more excuses.
No more excuses. Mr. 11-second man.
Mr. 11 second wants to continue 11s and not sit on the sidelines.
Straight in the 10s, mate, that'll be.
It would be
25 shot of gas.
It would definitely be in the 10s.
So,
Perhaps we'll just fit that without telling.
oh yeah.
Yeah, I'll never notice.
I'm a little broke filling it with gas. It was nitrous.
Yeah, that's true.
All right, guys. So I'll catch you in the next video.